Oh god, it started. It's Tuesday, hello. What did I do this week? On Saturday morning, I gave my cat a bath. You'll probably see a little bit of that in there. On Saturday night, I waxed my legs. I only recorded waxing the guys on Lion Dance, so you'll get to see their reactions.
1, go.
This is so gross! God, it's getting so smooth. Okay, ready on? Ready? I'm gonna pull this one. 1, 2. Ah!
No?
Oh my!
Oh.
I tried to do this myself, but it wasn't effective.
You wanna do that? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Alright, now you can't wear shorts to school.
You should go.
No, it's okay. I think I'll just shave it off.
So nice.
Shave this spot.
I'm just gonna shave it off. It's gonna go out like. 1, go! Go!
That wasn't that much.
Yeah, not too bad.
This is so great. This is the best decision I ever made. This is the best use of $8 that I have ever.
Next step, hair dye.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
1,
Ow.
2,
Okay.
3.
Oh my god, it's so smooth.
Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, this is no.
It's smooth.
It's so smooth.
Formal's coming up. I asked manager to formal. I don't have the video of that, but you have all seen it. You were all there. I watched Kevin ask Hannah to formal. That was fun. I missed 2 formal proposals. You know who you are. Yeah, it's pretty sad. Both due to miscommunication, so the lesson learned here was learn how to talk better. I don't know if any of you guys have heard. A couple of you know, but for those of you that I haven't gotten the chance to talk to recently, I got the Sacramento trip, so that means on March 12th, I'm going to be flying up to Sacramento with Mr. Zendes and Mr. Gracian and some other students from Irvine High and other students from other schools, and we're gonna, to be honest, I really don't know what we're gonna do. But it was really cool that I got it. I didn't think I would. So